What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Brandon, back with another roast. And today, we gonna react to Kawaii JT Maxa. I don't know how to say it, but it's my friend Robyn channel. Check it out. Today, we gonna be reacting to The Adventure 2. Like, Adventure. So, let's get straight into this. It's not a venture, it's a venture. Okay, let's react to this. No. Where are? What? Okay, for starters, I just want to say, what is this? This makes no type of sense. The grammar is overly horrible. Let's go back to that. What is this? No. Where are? Now, what is this? What type of messed up what is this? I have to see. 2 times, dang! Very. What is that? That's not even your real name. Who is that? Okay. Yo, no dead end. What is this? What type of grammar? Now, let's freaking roast this. Now, what type of outfit is that? Sheep with wings? What the heck is that? Looking like a freaking, I don't know what that is. Look like Wanda from Fairly Odd Parents, boy. With longer legs. Dang. What is this? Got that Naruto run, boy. What is that? You know that is? What type of grammar? How are we going to get out of here? He got... What? Why are you dining from? What is that? He got better grammar than her. Robyn, you need some help. What is this? Gosh. Oh my, no. Oh, body. That's not how you spell body, but okay. Look. Okay, come on. Yeah, we free. Yeah, we are free. What is that? Nobody says yeah. Whoa, what is that? They're not even fist bumping. Why y'all running? Get the Naruto run. Okay, bye, monkey. What? You are the monkey. What? Oh my gosh, I'll be glad when this video is over. Be so glad. Do the monkey dance. What? Okay, bye, everyone. Shut up. Oh my gosh. Get out of my face. Alright, YouTube. I'm sorry for that rage, but I'll have to see y'all later. So, goodbye.